Let's start brush stroke animation by giving our introduction. First of all, came to browser and type Roadrage font download. Click on first link and then click on download. Go to download folder and extract the zip file or RAR file. Click on the extracted folder and click on road rage, right click and install. I have already installed it, so I am clicking on replace it. Now come to PowerPoint and open a blank slide. Select a text box and draw a big box and type capital I and select it and increase its size as I am doing. And click on font and go to road rage font which we have downloaded right now. So this is our road rage font. So guys, right now this is in font format, so we are going to convert it in shape by drawing a rectangle. So select a rectangle shape and draw it on that font, and remember, cover the font completely. On the format tab, send the rectangle to backward to show our font and merge the shape and click on intersect. Now come to home page and click on no outline and shape fill as yellow color or as you wants. Format shape by right clicking and click on effects and on shadow. Then increase the size of shadow and then adjust the shadow according to you. Now type Ctrl D to duplicate the shape as we have created a brush stroke, and duplicate as many as you wish. I have duplicated right now 4 according to my needs. Now arrange it line wise as I am doing. Follow my steps. For doing my work easy, I am selecting two shapes and duplicating it by pressing Shift plus Control. And now arrange as I am doing. As you can see that this is our last shape and I am arranging it. Now our all shapes are arranged perfectly. So now press Shift and select all the shapes as I am selecting. Now go to Format tab and click on Group. Now as you can see, the object is grouped now. Now click on Picture and Texture field in Format Background and click on Shapes or any picture you can insert inside the background. Here I am inserting an online pictures. Now I am typing here mountain view as I want that. So guys, here I have got a perfect photo for my slide. So I am inserting it in my background. So here our image is inserted in background. Now increase the brush stroke which we have created earlier. Now select rectangle shape and cover it complete slide as I am doing. So just follow my steps. Now remember that this rectangle does not contain any outline boundary and send it backward by right clicking it. Now select the rectangle color as you want, as your wish. And now ungroup our shape which we have grouped earlier, only the brush stroke. Now click on slide background field. Now go to animation tab and click on animation pane and select a brush stroke and click on wipe animation. And in effect option click on from right side. And select the shape on which you have created animation and double click on animation painter. I am doing this because for my easing my work. Now select all the animation by excluding the first animation and click on after previous and just follow my steps, and I am previewing my animation. So as you can see, all these brush strokes are going from right to right, but we want that one is gone from left to right and other one from right to left. So just follow my steps to do all that animations. Now I am previewing. Now our animation is created. So that's all done. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell notification to get the instant notification. Thank you and have a nice day.